Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to the channel Maths with Umar, and in this video I'm going to explain you about a basic proportionality theorem, which is nothing but Thale's theorem. Okay, so the basic proportionality theorem states that if a line is drawn parallel to one side of the triangle, say for example, let us take a triangle. It is A, B, C. Okay. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of the triangle, let me take BC and draw a line parallel to BC. Okay. Let it be E and F. Got it, my dear students? So, if a line is drawn parallel to BC which intersects the other two sides in distinct points, okay, other two sides in distinct points, then the other two sides are divided in same ratio or in proportion. That means what? See, when you draw a line parallel to the one side and it intersects both the sides, the other two sides, then the other two sides are divided in proportion. So that means what? AE by EB. AE divided by EB is equal to AF divided by FC. This we call it as proportion. Okay. So is it clear, my dear student? So if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle and it intersects two sides, then the other two sides are intersected or divided in proportion. Understood or not? So how to solve this? It's very simple. I have to prove that AE divided by EB is equal to AF divided by FC. So what you are supposed to write given? Given in triangle ABC, EF is parallel to BC. Okay, and what to prove? So we are supposed to prove AE by EB equals AF divided by FC. So for that you need a simple construction. I will tell you why. So if you understand the concept and why I am taking this, then you can. See, I have to take AE and EB, right? I have to take AE and EB. So now in AE and I have to take AE and AB. So okay, AE it is in the numerator and EB in the denominator, right? So I have to prove it with the concept of areas of circles. Understood? So here two concepts are there mainly. One is you remember area of the circle, and you have to take area of the circle in the order which he has asked. Okay. So now first let us join BF. Let us join BF. Understood? What is this triangle? This triangle is what? Obtuse angle triangle. This triangle is obtuse angle. If you draw like this, it will be. Okay, this is obtuse angle triangle. And now we have studied in grade 7, the altitude of obtuse angle triangle is outside the triangle, exterior of the triangle. Extend the base and draw a perpendicular line. Okay, I'll tell you. So now let us take B as base. Okay, why I'll tell you. So now extend it. So this will be the line, and draw a line perpendicular from F to A. So it is FM. Let us say FM is the altitude of this obtuse angle triangle. Okay, good. And why I am taking this? See, if I take this triangle AFE and if I take AE as base, so is FM the height because it is interior. Understood or not? Normal triangles you have, acute angle triangles you have altitude interior of the triangle. So for both the triangles, for this triangle, obtuse angle triangle, and the triangle AEF, if I take these two sides as bases, will I have height same? So this is our concept. So construction, what we do first, join BF and join C. C I will draw it later because if I draw everything here itself, you will get confused. Now and draw FM perpendicular to AE. Okay, or you can write it as AB. And also draw. We are going to draw EN. Okay, EN perpendicular to A. Sorry, not A, AC. Now it is over. Let us go to proof. What did I tell you? The concept revolves around the areas of circle. So first find what is AE, right? It is AE. So let us find the area of the circle which is in the top. So what is the area of AEF? That is equal to half base into height. That is equal to half into what is base? AE. Okay. By what is height? MF. Okay. So let us take this as first equation. Now, what do you need? EB. So let us take this obtuse angle triangle. So area of what is that? BF is equal to half base into height, right? So that is equal to half into what is base? B into what is height of this obtuse angle triangle? Now, what do I need? AE by EB, right? So what to do? Divide first equation by second equation. First equation divided by second equation. What will happen? Area of AEF is equal to half into AE into MF divided by area of what is that? BF is equal to half into B into MF. So divided by half and half gets cancelled, MF and MF gets cancelled. So what is left out? AE by BE. Understood or not? Or EB. So let us take it as third equation. Understood? Understood, my dear? So now let us repeat these three steps from other side. Okay, I will rub this so that you don't get confused for only 5 minutes. After that, I will draw the figure. Now join Z and after that draw a perpendicular EN. So let us continue the same step. Now area of triangle AEF with base AF. With base AF. So half into AF into what is height? EN. Now area of what is this triangle? CFE is equal to half into what is base? I am going to take CF as base into the height of this obtuse angle triangle is here. Okay, let it be fourth equation and fifth equation. Now what I am going to do? Fourth equation divided by fifth equation. So that implies area of AEF is equal to half into what is base? AF into EN divided by area of CFE is equal to half into CF into EN. Let me divide it. Half of gets cancelled, EN gets cancelled. So that is equal to what is left out? AF by CF. So this is sixth equation. Till here understood? So now, let me do it in the remaining class. Simple. See, you got AE by BE in third equation and AF by FC in sixth equation. Now I have to show that these two are equal, right? Now, let me join this. And here also let me do. Now, listen carefully. There is a concept in grade 9. There was a concept. What was that concept? That the concept now we know that triangles between two parallel lines, I'm writing in shortcut, two parallel lines with same base have equal areas. Now try to understand this point. EF is perpendicular to EF is parallel to BC, right? These two are parallel. Now what is this? Triangle BEF. Okay, and what is this in this map? This is triangle CFE. Those two are two obtuse angle triangles, right? So now, if I take EF as base, is EF common for both the triangles? Yes, it is common. And are both triangles in between two parallel lines, EF and BC? So that means, that implies area of BEF is equal to area of CFE. Is it right or wrong? Now, in Euclid's geometry, we have studied that if equals are divided by equals, whatever answer, that means the remainder is what you get. Don't get confused by the reminders word here. Euclid said that if equals are divided with equals, the reminders are equal. Reminders means the answer is equal. Okay, so here, so let us write it as seventh equation. And now tell me area of AEF with this base AE and area of AEF with base AF. Are those two equal? Yes, those two are equal, right? So now let us divide 8 divided by 7. So if I divide area of AEF divided by area of BEF is equal to area of AEF divided by area of CFE. Understood or not? So I don't have place. So therefore, let me write that what is area of AEF by BEF? AE by BE. And area of AEF by CFE is equal to AF by CF. So 2. It's so simple. Understood? Only two concepts. Here, whatever you need, AE by EB, you take them as bases and write their areas. And in the same way, AF and FC, you write those two areas and divide them. You will get AE by BE and AF by CF. Now, what is the second concept is the two triangles between two parallel lines with same base, those areas are equal. So let us use it, and you write it. It is very simple and very easy. Understood or not? So I hope you understood. If you have any doubt, please message me. And if you understood, so please share it with others so that they also get benefited by this. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And after that, I heard that, I don't know, the YouTube algorithm works in a way such that the more comments, and the more it will reach the audience, something like that. So try to comment and try to let me know whether you understood or not. If you have any doubts, please send WhatsApp message 0521247969. I'll be available anytime, and I'll send you. Okay, take care, bye. And today I'll be available till 10 o'clock, so you can send me doubts. I'll send you the videos. Okay, bye bye.